The Venture Capital Fund, a fund created in 2021 to offer capital to small and medium enterprises as well as startups. Ibn Mabunda gives us more.
Now, funding is a challenge for many SMEs and startups operating in Zimbabwe, where the cost of money, interest rates, are pegged at 35%, relatively higher than Zimbabwe's regional counterparts. To bridge this funding gap, Treasury launched a National Venture Capital Fund in 2021 aimed at capacitating SMEs and startups with a high growth potential. 4 years on, Treasury will now invest in the first set of carefully hand-picked SMEs, starting with Glytime Foods.
And we as government have got the National Venture Fund. So it's one of the projects that we're looking into to invest in through the National Venture Fund. In a couple of days, we'll be launching 3 projects where the National Venture Fund is invested. I hope we all be there. I better not pre-announce them here.
Glytime Foods, a food processor that has been operational since 2018, will be one of the first beneficiaries.
Glytime is the name of the company, and we've seen them grow over the last 4 years from strength to strength. They currently operate on a site in one part of the city. The government are looking at something like $1 million that would be investing in this kind of business. As I said, they're getting into expansion phase.
With 28 products already on the market, Glytime is looking to expand its operations. Now, this warehouse with this newly installed machinery is expected to be characterized by a hive of activity, as Glytime Foods contributes immensely to Zimbabwe's food processing regime.
Yes, we started in 2018, so we are around 6 years old. So we speak to health and wellness, and we've got 3 segments that we service. We service the health segment, the nutrition segment, and the lifestyle segment. We're doing about 500 kgs in a day, and we'll be doing 1,500 kgs in an hour.
A beneficiary of government's special economic zones, Glytime is already exporting to several countries in the region.
Currently, we are in the special economic zone, so it's going to allow us to expand our footprint into the region, into around 8 countries, mainly Southern African countries. And so far, we are in 4 different African countries: Zambia, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and Botswana. Government will join Old Mutual, which last year snapped up a 45% shareholding in the food processor. Through a $1 million investment in Glytime, government seeks to take up a stake below 25%, then dispose of its shareholding after 5 years. Treasury says more beneficiaries of the fund will be unveiled in the next few weeks. Ibn Mabunda for ZTN Prime in Harare.
The Zimbabwe Parks and Wildlife Management Authority, ZimParks, has said over 19 hippos that died in the Zambezi region